how to make a Bereal account without phone number. It is possible, it is not possible. Let's find out now, okay? So the first thing you need to do is install Bereal app on your phone and log on Bereal, okay? I will point out that I'm doing the process on Android, but it's the same process, okay? The same process on your iPhone too. So after clicking on Bereal app, you will click on continue, okay? Continue and get started, okay? After doing this, you will select your name. You will choose your name, the name that you want to use on Bereal, okay? I will click on continue, and here you will put your birthday. After doing this, you will click on continue. Here you will see that you need to have a phone number to create an account on Bereal, okay? It is impossible to create an account on Bereal without phone number. So put your phone number, confirm, and you already make it a Bereal account, okay? I will point out that it's impossible to make a Bereal account without phone number. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.